Hi, this is Lori. I'm the sales manager at Paragon Lofts. I'm going to give you a tour of our A-line floor plan. As you can see, you have a 2-car garage. This is a 2-story condo. It's a 3-bedroom with 2 full baths. The keypads here are just for our showings. This will be a regular lock there. This is your front entry. You have direct access to your outdoor space. And this is your garage space. You do have your electric vehicle outlet capabilities in here, and you have a waterless water heater. There's a built-in security system. You have a nice covered patio. You can do whatever you like with these outdoor spaces. So you can put in turf if you'd like. You can do plantings. You do have water hookup, gas and electric. And then here you have some nice storage space. You have a large closet that goes all the way underneath the stairs. And then this is your primary bedroom. Primary bedroom also has a door to the outdoor space. And then the primary bath has a really large vanity. You have 2 medicine cabinets. Both of these open up and have extra storage. You have storage here. All of these drawers open. You have a nice walk-in closet. And then a separate water closet. Glass enclosed shower here. It does have a built-in bench. So that's all the first floor, and now we're gonna go up to the 2nd level. You've carpeted stairs. This nice detailing here, your railing, and then luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout in the 2nd level. So this is your main living room, dining room area. Very large kitchen. You have a built-in pantry here with shelving, lots of storage, very large island. All the appliances come included. So the refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, all of that's included. The washer and dryer is the only appliance that is not included. And the washer and dryer would go here. And then you have 2 bedrooms and a 2nd full bath. There's lots of light. Nice sized closets. And then here's your 2nd bath. Again, you have 2 sinks, nice counter space, lots of storage. And then you also have a separate area for the shower, toilet, and this built-in linen closet as well. And that's it. We will have 2 of these built right here in phase 2 of Paragon Lofts.